So what we have here is a concept pump with a retrofit kit. Sometimes it comes with the pump, the retrofit kit. This is what we get with the retrofit kit: is two glands, two terminals, connectors, with two nuts for the glands, one small T screwdriver, and the cable. So today what we are going to do is to connect the cable with the concept pump, which is, it will be in this place. So first step, we'll break these two holes here so we can fix the these two glands, the black glands. I will not break this one. I have already one here. It's already broken like this. So what we are going to do is to hold the gland, and this nut will go inside. Will go inside. You just have to screw it on, and it will be fixed. Second step is we will remove the screws from here. It will take a little bit time. So we have opened the back plate for to put the cable, the control cable. If you can see, there's a bigger one that has 3 connectors and 2 connectors. So the 3 connectors is for the control cable, and the 2 connectors is for the flow switch, which we will have this back plate. This will go for the control cable. This go for the flow switch. So we'll get the cable, we'll just pass it through. We'll get the connector. You can see here there is a small separation between the first 2 and the last one. So the first 2 will go the black and brown, which is these 2, and the last one will go the blue one. You will need a small screwdriver. You will fix it inside, so it will open the terminal from inside. You will fix the first connector, then we will remove it. It's connected already. We'll fix the second one. This is the blue one, the brown one. Like this, it's already connected. And we have the last one is the blue cable. We will fix it back inside. That's it. This is the 3 cables, so it will be like this. When we will go to the pump, we will be fixing it like this. So this is the first 2. You will go inside like this, and we have to push it up. If you have a small screwdriver, you just lift it up, and that's it. It's already connected inside. We don't need to do anything. If you have a level switch, you will fix the both terminals inside this one. Same process, and then we will fix it inside, same as we fixed this one. And then we will come back, cover the back plate with the screws.